Hello everyone, this is Mina. Here brings a project built 16 meters by 32 meter length and 8 meter height truss using 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter and 4 meter modular parts. Allow these standard sizes adjust into flexible sizes like 12 by 24 meter or 12 by 20 meters. During field work, pre-assembling the upper truss with light and audio equipment, then lifting it back with the slick blocks and the manual hoist. In this way, it will shorten some installation time. Also, the speakers can speed up the assembly faster than the screw ones. For example, the weld strength with uniform fish scale pattern indicating it is good. For more quality solution, welcome contact us and follow our channel.